guys, it's me, the Flying Kraken, and this is Dark Knight.
Hello.
And we are going to unbox this drone. It is an HX750 drone, 6-channel remote control quadcopter, and it has headless mode and 1 key return. Ooh.
Wow.
360-degree unlimited. What is this? Whatever it is.
Version.
360 unlimited version. Yeah.
Version?
What does that mean?
Don't know.
Okay. 1 key return and headless mode and 2.4 gigahertz, and it is for ages 14 and up.
And what is the made? What is the model?
It's I ordered
HX750.
And I can see something here.
It's
It's a Chinese company, I think. Yeah.
yeah, okay. So it is made, they say it's made of durable material made.
Oh.
We will
okay.
let you know if we crash it, if it's.
And I think it does have a.
And large frequency receive.
Mm.
Yeah, and 6-channel, 6-axis gyroscope, new generation UFO Explorer.
Wow. Okay.
It's right here.
And what else does it say?
Look.
Does it have a camera? Looks like it does have a camera.
But we have to make sure.
Okay, we haven't opened it yet, so we will all let you know about it.
Yeah.
And it's white color. It's not that big.
Yeah, there's also a black version.
Yeah, I can see.
Right here.
Is it? Yeah, it's shown on the side. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it does have some protection for its propellers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is a good feature because these types of
This is the remote.
drones.
This is the remote.
Yeah, that's the remote. Looks really good. Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's get to the opening.
It
And
just.
before we start opening this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. And share this to your friends.
And it's from this particular company.
Okay.
Hang Seng.
This video is not sponsored by it. Sorry.
But yeah, it is. It does really show that it does have a camera. We still have to go and find it out. So be with us, and until the end of the video, so that we will all know how. Okay.
So yeah, guys, we are going to open this. This is a knife, so this is dangerous for children. So you need to have parental supervision. Oh, it's upside down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pull this out,
Show
Okay,
the
so
viewers.
there is a
Show the
chart.
viewers.
There is this thing that
Can you show to them?
Yeah. So this kind of looks like a camera thing,
Can we?
Rather small.
There is also a charger, so you can't use it
It's
forever.
not a charger. It's not a charger. It's a thing that will make it power. So
Wow, it does have very good packing. Yeah, the background is quite contrasting with the white color. I wonder how the color look for the black color drone.
now we are pulling out the controller and this.
Hey, so
Wow, can you show the viewers
on and off.
That comes with
these
instructions.
controllers.
instruction? Okay,
I mean, this is like joysticks from games, right? Playing. Like,
the application instruction. And what is that? Wow, it just look really professional.
Oh, it's tiny.
It's tiny though. It's good for children. Even though they made the age group 14, I can't understand why they made the controller so small. Can a 14-year-old hold
Can I
that?
have it?
no.
Can I show the viewers?
I think it's good for a 5-year, 6-year kid. Yeah.
No.
The cable is the charger. No.
Show that. Okay. What are those? The cable and charger.
I'm taking this very carefully so it doesn't.
Okay.
Oh, there's extra wings.
extra propeller.
If it breaks.
Yeah. That's quite thoughtful.
Good.
Really, they have thought about it,
You
because
have to be careful to not
this is
break
one of the
it.
things which
What
easily
is
breaks,
this thing?
especially if you
It's
encounter.
a USB
And it's a USB charger.
Encounter a tree.
charger.
Yeah, it's a charger. Yeah,
If you encounter a
good.
tree.
But you guys have a lot of different type of chargers. Don't ensure that you don't mix it up, okay? Because one charger can damage the other battery if you use it for. Yep.
What are you doing?
I'm removing these.
So can you explain the instruction manual?
Okay, so
Which-
number one.
Can you open it? Open. Can you make it straight and show the viewers?
Remove these
Look,
screws.
we have this, the remote, and then we have this blade so that if it gets damaged, we can replace them. And it is an SD card.
Does have an SD card?
And
Where is
card
it?
reader.
Wow.
I don't know where it is.
Webcam.
It does have a camera. Wow. Wow.
We
It
should
does
use
have.
the webcam to record videos on computers and stuff.
No.
We could.
Wow.
We don't need to pop it
can't believe that this is such a small drone. It's a really small drone. You
But
can.
there are some buttons which you have to learn.
Yeah. It's.
By the way, we are going to use it to do something nature videos.
Okay.
It may not have come with batteries, but the charging time is about 40 minutes.
Oh, good. And what's the flying time?
It's not saying like. Let me just check. Begin to take off. I'm a bit new to this, so I'm just gonna see.
It's so impressive. I'm so impressed about this.
This is the up. This is the down.
Show me. Let me.
No. That's not it. What are you doing?
This is the
You have to, guys. You have to
Yeah,
learn it,
because-
okay? Before even thinking of flying it, okay? You have
Flying
to
is
learn
like
the manual
a helicopter.
completely, because it seems like this is a very good drone. We can even use it for our footage, the YouTube footages. Guys, we will send you the real footage once we start learning
Once you
and
break
flying.
it, you will learn that you shouldn't always record videos about it. You could probably
Break it and
if you make videos
It's
daily about it.
durable material made. Durable.
Yeah, and I'm impressed because they have included 2 propellers. That's really a good,
This is the camera
really
plate.
thought about
This is
thing.
the camera plate.
Okay.
That's enough. That's enough.
Can I-
guys.
Okay, that's that's the camera plate. Wow, the list of accessories. This is quite a nice one. Yeah, impressed. I'm so much impressed. SD card. It can take in SD card. Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So-
the instructions.
Yeah. Tell me.
So
Give your final wordings to your.
this, okay, shall we remove?
You can remove it, yeah, if you want, but
Yeah.
the video is gonna take.
Hi guys, this is the drone. So we'll do a flying on this when we go outside and it's summer. So we don't know if we're going to take this outside.
Anytime sooner.
But it's suggested to fly outside, or you'll just hit something, fall down, break, or even the side things may fall off.
Oh, this also needs batteries.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
of course.
yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, and share this to your friends. And so, yeah, bye.